Hello guys, what's up everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one YARIS and this car has a problem power steering. You can see light is there, power steering light. So this car has a problem when I start the car. It's power steering totally hard. It's very strong, and when I drive car, sometimes smooth, sometimes hard like this. So today I will show you why this problem happened and how to solve this problem. Okay,
If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel.
Many
you.
thanks to everyone who watched my video, and please subscribe my channel if it's helpful for you. Okay, when I scan with my diagnosis computer, I got fault. You can see C1544 and C1545 is fault code, engine regulation system.
Engine regulation system means ECM, engine control module, does not give a proper power voltage in power steering. So that's why power steering tight and very hard when you drive car or start car. So what you need to do, you need to replace engine control module. Okay, you can see this is my old engine control module, and I replaced another one, which is used one, not a new one. Okay, you can see. Then I program it. When program finish, you can see here power steering light gone and power steering very smooth. Okay, so if your car same problem, need to replace engine control module.